Hello children, welcome to another lesson. In today's lesson, we want to continue with our tune. Children, are you ready? Alright. Can we take it again? Let's go. Alright, see you in the next. Hello children, welcome to another lesson, the recorder lesson. We are going to continue with our tune. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, can we take it again? Let's go. See you in the next. Hello children, welcome to another lesson. We want to continue with our tune. Are you ready? Let's go. Hello children, welcome to another lesson. In today's lesson, we want to learn Mary Had a Little Lamb. Children, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, see you in the next lesson.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.